Hello, I'm Luke Dulworth. I'm at the University of Dallas, majoring in computer science. I graduate in 2026, and I'm an intern at ARC Specialties. 2 years ago, I came to ARC Specialties on a tour. Toured around, saw all the robots, saw the welding. I was really excited about it. In high school, I competed in robotics a lot. I have 3 brothers. We all did robotics sort of competitively, and I just love it. So my dad was like, well, this is a robot company, so why not come take a tour and see what real robots are like. And I just think it's so cool. I mean, I really like working in a shop, like hands-on. I like being around all of it. That makes sense. So like in high school, I did programming, but I also did building and design and stuff. Being in some sort of position where you can really see like the effects of your work. Like this is the real deal. I'm working on a product that's going to go to a customer. So, I mean, like you can go into, with programming, you can do a lot of things, like you can make a website or whatever, but programming like robots and stuff is just way cool. My goal is to program robots, and working here at ARC Specialties has allowed me to do that.